Hello, welcome to Super Serious Cooking. This week we're going to look at a can of Pam, a bowl of sauce, a silicone brush, and a pair of tongs. Maybe we'll do rice. But anyway, we're going to barbecue chicken. So the first thing you want to do is you want to put the gas. Put that on. Then let's put the burners on. And try not to blow up. Okay, we'll close the lid and we'll get the food for barbecue. Okay, barbecue's up to temperature. What you want to do is take your Pam and you just want to spray the grill. Why do we do that? Just for fun. Then we'll put the chicken on and wash your hands like 15,000 times today. Alright, so when you're barbecuing chicken, what you can do, if you're getting pretty crazy, you just rotate it as many times as you want. There's no limit how many times you can flip something. And if there is, well, that's kind of silly. But whatever, just do that until it's done. Okay, so the chicken is barbecued. You can tell because I grabbed the biggest one and I left it open. That's fine. So I figured out they're all cooked. Anyway, what we do now is grab our silicone brush and totally not make a mess and just brush them all. Okay, so chicken's in sauce and turned, but we still have more sauce. That just means it's going to go back on the chicken. So, just keep saucing it. Who doesn't like saucy barbecue chicken? Okay, thanks for watching Super Serious Cooking. This week we barbecued some chicken and inadvertently made some rice. But yeah, barbecue chicken. There we go. Catch us next week when maybe we'll do stuff with the rice. Whatever.